we're gonna start the channel with just going over how did I start trading, where did I learn from, and how have I been doing. Well, first off, I started out trading because I was very, very, very lucky to have a great grandmother. She's not my great grandmother, she was just so great. You know, she left me a very big lump sum of money, and I was working at the time. But now I'm in a house. Picture yourself in a house. You're working at the time, making money, but you're also not aware of how much money you have and how much money you're making. I'm helping friends, trying to get money on their feed, this and that. I done helped them already. Helped them, you know, basically get a head jump, helping them out. Then I'm thinking to myself, how can I make more money? How can I take my money to another level? Like, I got this money right here. I got this chunk, this lump sum, or this chunk of change. How can I make more money than what I already have? Nothing hit me. I'm looking on the internet, really couldn't find anything. Money, I'm now spending money going down, bought a car. I'm like, damn, I can't find nothing to do with my money. So, excuse me. Out of nowhere, I run into this video of Timothy Sykes, the penny trader YouTuber that was everywhere about stock trading. Well, what I remember about stock trading was my history teacher. How I ran across it, my history teacher told me about stock trading. He told me that it was like a competition that the stock traders, that the school had for like regular students, and it was for people that can simulation trade in the stock market. Whoever made the most money that summer will get a prize. I didn't never compete in it. I actually was very interested in it, but I never pulled my teachers to the side, asked them how can I qualify or get, or submit an application to get in this program. But that always stuck with me. He just went into so much details with it of what the stock market was. I just like, wow, that sounds so amazing how you just make money with money. So now, like sorry to jump back like that, but now back to the future. I'm looking, where can I make money at? Where can I grow my money that I just got left at? First thing that popped in my head, let's go to YouTube, looking things up. Really couldn't find nothing. Ran into Timothy Sykes, like I said. He was more so a real risky trader that I learned. I didn't learn anything from him. His videos was pretty much like a lot of blurry videos on YouTube at the time. So he was a shirt seller as well. So I really couldn't learn that from him. So I'm still looking. This is at the time, it was nobody else on YouTube posting about trading. I ran into this guy called Gutierrez. It was nobody else. It's him and Tim Sykes. I couldn't find nobody else. And there's a guy named Sasha. I learned all my definitions from him, that Sasha guy, and Ricky. Nothing from Timothy. But he gave me the idea to look further more. So I'm learning from the Sasha guy. I can't remember his exact channel. And I learned the definitions of what this is, what resistance is, what support is, what is a stop, how like basically more in depth with it, but not too in depth, just the basics. I go to this guy Ricky page, found him, ran to him. At this time, Ricky, before he got like 500,000 subscribers now, but at this time he had about like 2,000, 3,000 subscribers, and his videos was like really breaking down, actually showing you how to be an investor and to get started. From Ricky, I opened a Robinhood account and took trades on there. My first trade, I remember, it was a company that cure cancer, or basically come up with treatments for cancer. And I really got hooked to that because that's what my grandma passed away from. So I researched the company, I seen that it was about to come up with some news that wasn't out yet within the next 2 weeks. Invested in it. The news came out. It went up a couple cents, like 20, 10, 15, 20 cents. I made some money off it. I only had $500 in the stock. I made about $9 off it. I'm like, wow. Next stock I trade, dries. Lose money. And you know why I'm losing money? I'm losing money because I'm just getting into stocks or trades without even seeing the charts. I'm just putting money in. I don't blindly. So this is where Ricky Garcias, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but this is where Ricky come in at. Go to his page. I see charts, I see lines, I see level 2s, I see resistance, I see support levels, I'm like, wow. This right here is like what I need. So he had a playlist, I believe, or something. And I'm just going all through his page, every video, I watch every video this man put out. And excuse me. And then I get more details. I download this TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. I open the application. You know, I start paper trading, practicing, learning everything this guy put up. Actually start making more money with it. Not a lot though. Still a little bit because I still have a lack of knowledge. I'm almost there. I'm not all the way there yet, but I'm learning some more. I'm progressing. It was just crazy how this guy is presenting all this free content on YouTube, and other people had courses. Now, he out of nowhere did come out with a course, but I was after the fact that everybody kept asking him for more details, to go more and more in details, and I guess they wanted to watch him trade live. They just wanted more details than we already had. He already had everything free online. So I'm like, I'm good at this now. I'm making money with this now. I just learned a skill off somebody off YouTube for free. Came out of the course. I'm like, so you telling me there's even more detail into it that I can learn from your course? In the course, it is more details. It's just a little bit more detail, and you really get. I don't really use the Discord like that, but you can ask a lot of questions and they will get answered in the snap of a finger. So a lot of people like his course or whatever because it comes with the Discord, free Discord. You can ask experienced traders questions, but I didn't really use it. What I did like is I get to watch him trade live and actually implement what he's preaching, and I get to see how he think. So I'm learning from this guy. I'm still learning from the guy, and that's up to now. I'm profitable now. I learned that I wasn't really putting in no risk management. I'm just getting into trades, not knowing when I'm getting out and in, just getting in when I see it's an opportunity. Not really knowing if it go down to this price, I'm gonna get out. You know, I'm just in it. You know, just in it, rocking out. As soon as I can see if it hit a certain and go up higher, I just want to sell, take my money. Not really planning trades out. So I could say with Ricky YouTube channel, I learned almost everything from the YouTube channel. And then from just watching him trade live, just gave me even more confidence, basically. So that's how it started. That's where I began trading at. Now I am currently trading still, profitable. I have a long-term account now. I invest in some stocks long-term. I got my long-term strategies from Financial Education, Jeremy. But for day trading and swing trading, and also for long terms, because I could play stocks now when it dip, because I could identify that now. I got that from Ricky. But just learning all these from different people, and just like a sponge, sucking all that in. From Jeremy, I learned how to read financial balance sheets, income sheets, you know, just to see if a stock is even worth putting money into long term, to see if they even, you know, profitable, if they're a good company. researching on a company. You just gotta invest in what you know, basically. So I'm learning all this stuff from Jeremy. Took Ricky course. I didn't really need to because YouTube's got everything in it. Took his course, but I got more details from it, so it was worth it. Now I'm just like, wow, I almost know everything. I don't know everything because it's an ongoing game forever. You're always gonna be learning new things. I learn new things every day. So I'm just getting better and better at it. I'm just learning more stuff at it. It's more stuff I gotta learn. Trust me, as always, you're gonna have to learn stuff. But now I just got the keys. I got the keys to success almost. To be successful, to be profitable. So this is how I started trading. This is who I learned from, and this is how I got into the stock market from the beginning, from just wanting to know how can I grow my money that I was left from my grandmother. I was working at the time too, saving money. Just actually from just I'm a black kid. I might not look it, but I'm now 23. I'm a black kid from you might say the hood. We have no idea of financial awareness, of how much of saving, just this power of saving, compound interest. Just we have no idea of these things. Now, by looking to the stock market and stuff like that, it made me financially aware now. I can actually save this money, hit this goal, hit this another 1,000, hit this another 1,000. I can actually progress with my money. Back then, when I had the money, when I first got the money, sorry about that. I just had the money, not really aware of how much I actually have in my bank account. Now I got this money, helping my friends out, and I don't know how to grow it. I researched and actually found out how to grow it. You see how it started from Tim Sykes. Got more interest. Well, it started from my history teacher. Then seen Tim Sykes when I got the money. I was looking at Tim Sykes, a couple of videos, but I really wasn't interested because he really wasn't breaking down things correctly. Found Ricky. He broke down perfectly. Found Jeremy, financial education, more details on what's the background of stocks. It's like it was all there for me, and it's still all there for you. So I was just blessed to come on YouTube at the perfect time that this content was being released. So, but just from going on a journey made me financially aware on another level that I would never have learned in any school, because I college student, and they wasn't showing me this. They wasn't teaching me this. In high school, they wasn't teaching me this. I go to a public school in a neighborhood from Philadelphia. They were not teaching us this. They're not making us financially aware of the things that the things that we can do with money to take it to the next level. Real estate. I got into information about real estate that I could never acquire from being in a neighborhood like Philadelphia or Frankfurt, where I grew up at. Being in the surroundings, and it's just that the stock market took me to different levels of learning new things that I would have learned if I would never ask myself that day, how can I grow my money? How can I wasn't financially aware of it. I just wanted to know. I wanted to see that number in my bank account grow even farther, grow even more. And from just that, just having that mindset of just wanting to see that number get higher, because I started spending and I wanted to get back where I was at. Just from thinking, how can I do this, took me to a whole nother journey that I would have never could imagine I could have ever got into. So that's my background of the stock market, and that's how I got into the stock market, and this is what this channel will be about, the continuation of my journey. Have a good day, you guys. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my story. I am the Young Investor.